24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano, all things considered, is floating at $129,242,770 and in every practical sense, large way. ADA down roughly 0.88% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, which especially is very huge. Cardano's EMA really shows an especially descending pattern, which generally is very critical. Cardano most certainly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in a kind of enormous manner. The 18th of June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and fundamentally attempt to answer these. Much of the time explicitly got clarification on something. What sort of is extremely transient cost expectation for Cardano? Fundamentally is ADA a very wise venture, which basically is genuinely huge. Cardano support and opposition levels and so on in a kind of huge manner. In any case, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the ADA specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us truly discuss the especially current economic situations amazingly. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,069,183,910,197 in a huge manner. The essentially all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $18,932,172,992 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 48.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,455.17 level after a decay of 0.32%, which generally is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value lessening of 0.51% coming to $1,730.34 during the past 24 hours, or so they essentially thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.05, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time period, really in spite of mainstream thinking. XRP, the really local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 1.07 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, exhibiting that the 18th of June 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for all things considered. 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly especially sought clarification on some pressing issues. What basically is by and large transient cost expectation for Cardano. Truly is ADA a wise speculation, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they certainly thought. These occasions generally show that the market generally is going in a by and large descending heading for kind of present moment, exhibiting how the 18th of June 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time truly clarified pressing issues. What fundamentally is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for Cardano, certainly is ADA a sort of wise speculation, which essentially is genuinely huge. Right now, a fundamentally broad kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that however prior to jumping genuinely profound into the ADA specialized examination, sort of let us in every practical sense discuss the by and large current economic situations, which is genuinely critical. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they essentially thought. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly more truly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Cardano's EMA truly shows an essentially descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which dealers generally become especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. Cardano execution ADA in every practical sense has recorded a downtrend, losing 0.88% in certainly most recent 24 hours, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano generally is floating at $129,242,770, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The sort of current worth of Cardano explicitly is drifting at 27 cents with the exchanging volume of $129,242,770 USD in the equivalent time span in an unobtrusive way. The kind of by and large market cap for ADA basically is $9,292,276,899 USD, while the coin cost changes 1.65% throughout the week. So various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM especially, has seen a value decline of 0.51%, coming to $1,730.34 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Cardano value examination. ADA cost examination for the 18th of June 2023 inside a sort of day-to-day time period by and large made sense of beneath, showing how the 18th of June 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters. 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly explicitly clarified some pressing issues. What truly is by and large transient cost expectation for Cardano? Sort of is ADA a kind of wise venture, which certainly is genuinely critical. We utilize especially relative strength index, moving genuinely normal assembly and disparity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving kind of normal and remarkable moving pretty normal, to essentially examine the future development of the Cardano, which generally is very huge. The ADA, USD moving commonly normal union and disparity marker by and large is demonstrating a present moment generally sell certainly signal as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath sort of sign line, which fundamentally imply in a real sense bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout. So market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital money market to $1,069,183,910,197 by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. While ADA's Williams %R marker especially is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange sort of sign by and large is really conceivable at this rate. Sort of additional appearance how support for the most part is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become certainly more genuinely dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Cardano's IMAD truly shows a for the most part descending pattern, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 13, and in a real sense is attempting to generally break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, which truly shows that yet prior to jumping truly profound into the ADA specialized examination. Basically let us for the most part discuss the really current economic situations, which by and large is very critical. The Cardano for the most part has in a real sense break all its really upholds levels, and things basically are not looking generally excellent for the crypto market, exhibiting how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. Right now, generally bears in every way that really matters, are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take ADA cost beneath the essential help level of 35 cents, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ends there explicitly had been a fundamentally regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will explicitly go on as lengthy as it really stays in the ruddy region, which truly shows